Good morning, students. Today we will start the chapter quadratic equation. First, what is a quadratic equation? An equation whose degree means you can say the highest power is 2. That equation is known as a quadratic equation. जिस equation की highest power 2 हो, उस equation को हम quadratic equation बोलते हैं. For an example, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is also the general form of a quadratic equation. General means generally we write quadratic equation in this form. X is the variable and a, b and c are the constants. This equation is known as quadratic equation. Every quadratic equation has two roots. हर quadratic equation के दो roots होते हैं. Normally हम उनको अल्फा और बीटा नाम देते हैं. Each quadratic equation represents a parabola. Now what is a parabola? Parabola is something like this. It may be like this. It may be like this. And it may be like this. This shape is known as parabola. And every quadratic equation represents a parabola. What it means? जैसे आप लोग 9th क्लास में किसी भी लीनियर इक्वेशन का जो आपने ग्राफ बनाया था, तो जब भी वो ग्राफ आपने बनाया, आपने हमेशा एक स्ट्रेट लाइन को रिप्रेजेंट किया था उस लीनियर इक्वेशन ने. इसी टाइप से क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन जो है वो हमेशा एक पैराबोला को रिप्रेजेंट करती है. ओके, नाउ हाउ विल यू सॉल्व द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस? देयर आर 3 मेथड्स टू सॉल्व द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. The first one is factorization. ये आपने ज्यादातर चीजें 9th क्लास तक सीख चुके हैं. For an example, splitting the middle term, taking the common, like this. Second one is using formula. ये हम बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे इसी चैप्टर में आगे चलकर. Using formula. And the third one is completing the squares. Completing the squares. ये भी हम इस चैप्टर में आगे चलकर सीखेंगे कि दो मेथड क्या है. फिलहाल हम कंसंट्रेट करेंगे फैक्टराइजेशन पर. ये कुछ ज्यादा मुश्किल काम नहीं है. ये आपने 9th क्लास में भी और 8th में भी आपने इवन बहुत बार किया है. मैं इसके कुछ 2-3 एग्जांपल्स लेता हूं. द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज दैट इज वेरी सिंपल and is x square minus 3x. Now you know this is a quadratic equation because the highest power is 2. Now first of all take the common x. X minus 3 is equal to 0. From here either x is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the one root, and from here this x is equal to 3. These are the roots, therefore these are the answers. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. Two roots. The next example is x square plus 2x minus 15. X square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. As all of you know that the sum should be plus 2 and the multiplication should be minus 15. The sum should be equal to 2 and the multiplication should be equal to minus 15. Therefore the factors are, the numbers are 5 and 3. Therefore x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. From here first two terms take common, and from last two terms take common. In first two terms x is the common, that's why x plus 5. From last two terms minus 3 is the common, and it will be x plus 5 is equal to 0. From here x plus 5 is again common, and it will be x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now either x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then x will be equal to minus 5 and x is equal to 3. Again you get the two roots, two solutions, or you can say two solutions, or you can say your answer is there, minus 5 and 3. Take one more example where the calculation is high. And the next example is 1 by x minus 2 plus 2 by x minus 1 इज इक्वल टू 6 बाई एक्स। पहली नजर में ये हमें क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन नहीं दिखाई दे रही है, लेकिन जब हम इसको सोल्व करेंगे आगे चलकर ये हमें एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बन जाएगी, दिखाई देगी। टेकिंग द एलसीएम फ्रॉम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड x माइनस 2 इंटू एक्स माइनस 1, एक्स माइनस 2 से x माइनस 2 कैंसिल, x माइनस 1 की मल्टीप्लाई 1 के साथ, इट मीन्स x माइनस 1, x माइनस 1 से x माइनस 1 कैंसिल, 2 की मल्टीप्लाई x माइनस 2 के साथ। आई एम डूइंग डायरेक्टली 2x minus 4, and that's equal to 6 by x. Now x plus 2x 3x minus 5 upon x into x, x square minus x minus 2x plus 2, that's equal to 6 by x. Now 3x minus 5 upon x square minus 3x, because of minus x and minus 2x is minus 3x, okay, plus 2, that's equal to 6 by x. Now cross multiplying 3x into x, 3x square minus 5x, that's equal to 6x square minus 18x and plus 12. Now the equation will be 6x square minus 18x plus 12, इसको इस तरफ लेकर जाएंगे, minus 3x square plus 5x and it will be equal to 0. 6x square minus 3x 6x square minus 3x square, that's equal to 3x square minus 18x and plus 5x, it means minus 13x and plus 12 is equal to 0. Now your sum should be equal to, now it is quadratic equation now. Now your sum should be minus 13 and multiplication should be equal to 12 into 3, 36. The sum should be minus 13 and the multiplication should be 36. Minus 9 and minus 4 will be the number 3x square minus 9x minus 4x प्लस 12 इज इक्वल टू 0। फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स में कॉमन लेते हैं, लास्ट टू टर्म्स में कॉमन लेते हैं। 3x इज द कॉमन, इट विल बी x माइनस 3, माइनस 4 इज द कॉमन, x माइनस 3 दैट्स इक्वल टू 0, x माइनस 3 and 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. From here either x minus 3 is equal to 0 or 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. From here you will get the value of x that's equal to 3, and from here x will be equal to 4 by 3. Again you get two roots because it is a quadratic equation and every quadratic equation has two roots. Okay, clear? The next one is 4 under 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 under root 3 is equal to 0. Again it is a quadratic equation and I am doing this question only due to this roots, क्योंकि आप लोग रूट से कुछ ज्यादा ही डरते हैं इसलिए. Now your sum should be equal to 5 and your multiplication should be 4 into 2 8, root 3 into root 3 3, 8 into 3 24 means minus 24, and the numbers will be 8 and 3. That's why splitting the middle term, 4 under 3x square plus 8x minus 3x, it will be 5x ना, minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स में कॉमन लेते हैं, लास्ट टू टर्म्स में कॉमन. फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स व्हाट इज द कॉमन? द कॉमन इज 4x and it will be root 3x plus 2, and in these last two terms the common is minus root 3. Note this step, why minus root 3 is common. Root 3 it will be again root 3x plus 2, that's equal to 0. Again root 3x plus 2 is common and it will be 4x minus root 3, that's equal to 0. Either 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 or 4x minus root 3 is equal to 0. from here you will get x is equal to minus 2 by root 3, and from here you will get x is equal to root 3 by 4. These are the two roots. Why two roots? Because it is a quadratic equation. This is your first exercise, and you have to do the questions from first exercise. I think it's enough to do. If you will do question numbers from question number 16 to 25, अगर आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 से 25 तक भी कर लेते हैं, ये काफ़ी रहेगा प्रैक्टिस के लिए. Do it please. Okay? Thank you.